Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back.
I would just like to say, since this is actually my setup, y'all head over to Holla Squad TV and you know what I'm saying? Hit that sub button. If he doesn't want to talk, I'll break down the shoes. You know what I'm saying? We got the
get out of here, bro. Get out of here, man. What is up, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones. As y'all can see, I am over at Holla's crib. We just did a crazy pickup vlog. That vlog will be linked down below, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that because we put a lot of editing and a lot of time in the video. So as you guys know, man, the Air Jordan 1 Fearless have released. Just about a lot of people, or just about everybody, had got these early. But your boy Snipe, man, I got them on release day, and I cannot be happier to give you guys a review today. Before we get the video started, I want to tell you guys, man, we are grinding to 50K. Now we at 30K, and we have a long ways to go, but we can still do it. Run these likes up, man. Run the comments up because that helps the views go a lot further. Make sure you hit the like button and make sure you comment down below to help the algorithm, as well as make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, man. Thank you, I appreciate it. So yes, as I was saying, the Air Jordan 1 has to be easily the most popular, the most famous Air Jordan of all time. I'm gonna have Holla get in this video with me, man, because you know what I'm saying? It's only right, bro. We here at the Holla house. That's too early.
all right.
It's too early.
Oh no!
All right, okay, we're gonna take that, man. So me and you did the pickup vlog together. You checked them out for the first time. So before we bring them out, like, how did you feel about them? You didn't look at them?
No.
So when you stole my shoes and you put them in the closet, you didn't.
I didn't.
Let me tell you
that.
something.
I did not do that.
Holla pranked me with my Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. It's on his channel. Check it out if you haven't seen it. Ever since then, I gotta keep an eye out on this dude, bro. Because every time I leave shoes next to you, you try to opt me out.
It's because people said they didn't hit on the sneakers app, so I figured I helped them out by delivering them a size 12.
Not my size 12. Not mine. Originally, man, I did not know how I was gonna feel about this sneaker just because I'm not a huge fan of patent leather Air Jordan 1s. Of course, I love the patent leather Air Jordan 11s and things like that, but when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 patent leather ones, it just don't work for me like that. But when I seen the colorway, when I seen the ways you can finesse this shoe, when I seen the ways you can lace it, how to style it, my mind was changed almost immediately. So without further ado, man, now we can break down the shoe and get into it. Here we go.
I'm trying to do the.
Hold on, bro. We gotta talk.
Oh, go ahead.
So we got the Air Jordan 1 here. Now, one of the quotes that it says throughout the entire whole, like the little wrapping right here, it says, "Fear is often just an fears like fears. Limits like fears are often just an illusion." Now, I believe that's like a Michael Jordan quote.
Never had hooked on phonics in your life.
Yeah, but you know, it's like I can't find out where it starts at. You know what I'm saying? So it says, fears are like limits like fears are often an illusion. I'm trying to read them, bro, but it's like so many printed out. Anyway, it's printed out the entire box. Let me get that going right there. Can y'all see that? Okay, cool. Y'all should probably be able to see it now. So yeah. So that's like going out through the entire wrapping paper. Of course, y'all don't really care about wrapping paper. So let's get to the shoe. We peel them back and we get the beauties, man. These things are beautiful. Very, 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 very beautiful. Now, like I told you guys earlier in the video, man, this sneaker did have that quote that says, "Limits like fears are often just an illusion," and that's right here on the hang tag as well. So that's a dope touch they put. Now you're looking at them, man. How you feel about them?
How do you feel about them?
I think they fire, man. Especially when you can look at this one with the 3 laces. They got 3 different laces, so you can lace them up differently. You can get a different look. And by this shoe just being like 3 different colorways in one with that UNC and that red Chicago colorway, it's perfect for me. I like it a lot.
That's good because this is his college and this is his.
Yeah, fact, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so he went to the University of North Carolina and played for Chicago, of course. He ain't got nothing to do with the Wizards, even though he stunk it up there. Now let me stop for them Jordan fans. Let me tell y'all something about Jordan. Them Jordan fans act like those Wizards days just don't exist, bro. Like, it happened. Like, Brian is gonna get old one day. He's gonna have a bad season. Like the Dallas Mavericks series, I have to acknowledge that happened. Yeah. I cannot exclude that because I'm a fan. Like, no, bro. He played for the Wizards and he sucked. Anyways, man, one thing that I do love, every time they get together and they decide to make a sneaker like this, the last time was the Air Jordan 2 when they did the Converse collab. It was the Air Jordan 2 with the UNC and the Chicago in one shoe, and I like that. It's probably like my favorite Air Jordan 2 as we speak.
I'm gonna be honest. Maybe the reason I don't like these shoes is because they're a size 12. All right, that's probably why I don't like them. I'm gonna be honest. If there was a size 6 on the shorty, these would be fire.
Hey, look. He agreed with me. I said that this shoe absolutely reminds me of that.
Look how long this part is. Like, it looked like a freaking boat. I can't
help I wear a size 12, bro.
You can get different shoes though, cause these do not look good in a size 12, especially right up here on my face like this. It don't look.
You gotta see them on feet. This shoe reminds me of that popsicle that used to be on the ice cream truck. Every time the ice cream truck pull up, you get that ice cream. You good?
I'm just trying to see like why you got all this dust on the bottom.
Bro, Foot Locker. I love Foot Locker, man, but this one already came with a scuff. Let me show y'all. This one, I showed this on the pickup vlog. Why is it not? This one already got a scuff on it, man. I don't even know how. When fresh out the box, you see that? Already got a scuff. They finessed me. Let me know if any of y'all pairs came with like any defects or anything like that.
That's why y'all gonna use that Holla Squad Rejuvenator code to get stuff like this off your shoes.
Facts. Matter of fact, by the way, man, shout out to Rejuvenator. If any of you guys have these Jordans or any other sneakers you want to protect, then I advise you to pick up some Rejuvenator. Either use his discount code or you can use my discount code.
If you use my discount code and you send it to me on IG, I will be giving away an ultimate kit sometime. You know what I'm saying? In December,
there you go, right
for
there.
Christmas.
Use my man's discount code and you can get show them the kit. Where the kit at? Can you bring it real quick? Oh. So shout out to Rejuvenator, man. If y'all don't know, my boy Holla is a part of the Rejuvenator team, and he has this entire kit, the ultimate cleaning kit with just about all the goodies inside, man. You know what I'm saying? The bag, the washing powder, the Rejuvenator lighter. Everything you need is in this box, man. And he said he's giving it away to one of you lucky guys. So I mean, use his code, shout it out to him. And you know what I'm saying? I guess you'll be entered to win. As I was saying, man, to keep your shoes clean, whether you got these sneakers or any other sneakers that you like and you want to take care of, Rejuvenator is the best product to use. But yeah, man, that's just about it on a rambling. We're just gonna go over these small details that I like most about the shoe, and we're gonna go ahead to the on foot section. So starting off with the outer sole, man, we got this all red Jordan 1, this regular outer sole right here on the outer. Moving up to the midsole, you get this all white midsole, and I'm happy they brung it back to the all white midsole. I kind of get tired of them using the sail. The sails kind of get washed out. The midsole just like this middle sole between the shoe. A lot of times Jordan brand use like a sail look. It's like a dirty white, because once you get these dirty, it just kind of looks weird. So they make it aged already. Moving up to the uppers, we get an entire patent leather upper, from the red around the toe box, the white on the side panel, the black Nike swoosh, down to the back heel part of the sneaker, where you get this UNC blue, and on the collar, you get this nice black, luxurious around the collar of the sneaker. One thing that I love about this shoe, as I told you guys earlier, was the laces. So Holla, you got the shoe with the laces. They come with 3 different laces. Well, actually 4 if you count the black ones that's already come in it.
Y'all comment down below which one you think you're gonna be rocking.
Fire. A lot of people, what they doing is they mix and they match, and they put blue on one, red on the other, blue on one, black on the other, white on one, black on the other. You know what I'm saying? They doing it a lot of different ways. So however y'all rocking them, we read them and we responding to them down below in the comment section. That's pretty much it, man. It's not too much really to go over. Like I said, it's just patent leather all around the upper, black tongue here with the white Nike Air on the top, and of course you get your famous Jordan wing on this side panel of the shoe. Another thing that I did like they did though, they came in with this fear card, and on the back of it, it had the iconic Jordan words again: limits like fears, it's often just an illusion.
Because if you look on the inside, as a real sneakerhead like myself, which he decided to skip, it also has the writing that is on the wrapper inside the shoe, along with fear crossed out. You know what I'm saying? Because once you step into these shoes, fear is eliminated. That's real sneakerhead breakdowns for you. But my guy failed to acknowledge that. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead over to Holla Squad TV, unsubscribe from here, and subscribe to there.
All right, guys. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on feet, and after that, I'll be back to conclude the video. Let's get into it. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, man. Me and my boy Big Holla just broke down the Air Jordan 1 Fearless ones. Now, if you guys pick these up, let me know down below how you feeling about them. Of course, I'm liking mine. Like I said, I was kind of skeptical about it at first, and they get a pass from me. I did do a pickup vlog and a live. I will link both of those up under the channel for you guys to check out, because the pickup vlog was very, very lit. I pretty much do a pickup vlog on every sneaker, or every sneaker we're doing a pickup vlog for. Make sure
for me, these get a pass. For my girlfriend, for my size and up, I do not approve of these sneakers. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure people can make dope concepts out of them. They're just not for my taste. I'm not ready to wear people to wear those pants that make noise, rocking these together, looking like a silver dollar walking down the street. You know what I'm saying?
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Road to 50K. Head over to Holla at Crazy's channel. He posts a lot of dope content, from music to the vlogs, Holla Squad TV. It'll all be linked down below, so make sure you check him out. And that's pretty much it, man. Until next time, you know, it's your boy Sniper Jones, and I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous.
But who gonna hit that subscribe button so we can hit 50K by the end of the year? That's the real question.
Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.